As part of my preparation for the Vintage Computer Festival, I started setting up some legacy network equipment. But then I thought just throwing it randomly onto a desk wouldn't look nice. So I got myself a small desktop rack. Nothing too fancy, but after assembling it and fitting a power strip, it should be good enough for my gear. Of course, it didn't go completely smoothly. For the IBM 8228 MAU, I was missing one mounting clip, 3D printing to the rescue. Also, both the classic 10-base-2 hub and the Netgear switch I'll bring along weren't rack mountable, so I designed some custom brackets for those as well. That restored Zim 3D printer really needs to prove itself in day-to-day use. The first version of the Netgear bracket wasn't sturdy enough, it even cracked when I slid in the switch. I had printed it with only 20% infill. The second version, at 60%, turned out much stronger and more solid. As for the 10-base-2 hub, I had to get creative, matching the 30-degree angle of its enclosure. In the end, these custom brackets, together with some extra cable management panels, give it a nice finishing touch, so the whole setup will look tidy on my exhibit desk. You want to see it in real life? Come visit me and other exhibitors at the Swiss Vintage Computer Festival, November 8 and 9, 2025 at the Enter Technology Museum in Derendingen. Thanks for watching, now I'm looking forward to seeing you there.